I have this multimeter. It's nice and small, compact, and like many small and compact multimeters, when you use them, you put the multimeter down, and let's assume this orange is the plus and the black is the negative, and you make a reading. But not everything is so easy like this, and a lot of times this will shift around and fall off a table or whatever. So I wanted something a lot handier than that. Now I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put the plus lead into this tube. And now I can make the same reading like this, and I don't have to worry about my multimeter shifting and falling, and it's very convenient, and I can actually control it with my thumb. I'm not going to do that. And let's say I was left-handed. Well, if I'm left-handed, I'll just take this out and put this one in. And there we go. So you could do it with any multimeter, but it's really nice. This is like $9 on eBay. Very handy. About as accurate as I need. I have a fluke, and it's not really off from that. And so this is a lot more convenient than this. And what I did is I just hot glued down a piece of tubing. I discovered that this tubing would not allow the end to go in. So you just put it like that. Sort of snaps in.